Hi class 12, today I am going to explain the summary of The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck and this story from your Vistas book. And sometimes the theme of stories help you a lot. So let's get started. The Enemy tells the story of a Japanese doctor who hates Americans because of his patriotism as America and Japan were at war. One day, an American prisoner of war is washed ashore in front of a Japanese doctor's house named Dr. Shadow. The soldier is wounded and has evidently escaped from prison. Dr. Sadho's house was a solitary house on the seashore. Dr. Shadow and Hana ran to help. The American sailor was bleeding. They thought of throwing him back into the sea, but they couldn't do so. Dr. Shadow carried him home. Hana watched the soldiers as Yumi, the servant, refused to do so. Shadow operates on the American. He returned with his surgeon's emergency bag. He turned over the wounded soldier who lay unconscious. He washed his back and asked Hannah to help him. He wanted her to give the patient the anesthetic. Hannah had never seen an operation and she felt like vomiting. Sato saw the bullet in the wound. Hannah observed that there were red scars on the soldier's neck and realized that he had been tortured. Shadow removed the bullet from the wound and declared that the American would survive. Shadow and Hannah look after the American, but the servants were becoming restless. The gardener felt the prisoner should have been allowed to bleed to death. On the seventh day, the servants leave Shadow's house. They did not work that morning. Hannah paid them their wages. They cried, especially Yumi. They left Hannah, held back her tears. The gardener was there since he was a boy. Yumi was attached to the children of Hannah. Hannah had to do all the household work by her own, and Hannah wanted to Shadow to get rid of the American prisoner very quickly. Shadow promised to do something about it. In the evening, a messenger in uniform arrived there. Hannah was paralyzed with fright and she was very anxious about it after all what had happened. She felt the servants must have complained and the messenger had come to arrest Sadhu. The fears were unfounded as the old general had been suffering from an ailment. Shadow had been treating him, and the general was in pain and had sent for him. The general trusted Shadow a lot. He knew he might need to be operated upon. That is why Shadow was not sent away with the troops. Shadow told the general about the American. The general replied that Shadow was indispensable and could not be arrested. Then the general suggested a way out. He would send two of his private assassins, means that killers, and to his house to kill the American quietly and remove the body. Shadow agreed to the plan. Shadow waited for 3 nights. No assassins, killers arrived there. The American was getting better. He thanked Shadow. Shadow found it difficult to keep the American. in his house any longer. Shadow asked his name, but he said his name was Tom. He was tried to waiting for the killers to do away with the American prisoner. Dr. Shadow decided to help him to escape. Shadow provided him with his boat. He put food, water, and a quilt in his boat. He also gave the American his flashlight. There was an uninhabited island very close to the shore. Shadow told the American to sail to the island. He could live there till he found a Korean fishing boat pass by the island. Then Shadow could seek help and escape to freedom. Thereafter, he warned the American not to make any fire. He could catch fish and eat it raw. It was a moonless night when the American sailed away to the island. Shadow was again called by the general. He operated on the general. Shadow told the general that the prisoner had escaped. The general recalled that he had failed to send the killers as he had forgotten to keep his promise. He added that it was not because to lack of patriotism nor dereliction of duty. He was simply absorbed in his own affairs. Sado realized that he was safe, but he assured the general that he would ever remain loyal to him. As the American had left, all the servants returned. Things came back to normal as usual. Shadow remembered the American and hated him, but did not know why he had saved the prisoner's life. So, this is such a very short summary I explained to you, and rest you have to study by your own for your better understanding. And let me tell you one thing, the basic mantra from my side: if you want to get good marks in your objective questions, try to read all the chapters line by line. Thank you very much, and just keep watching the classes. Do like, do share, do very good comments, and if you have any problem in any particular chapter, don't forget to tell me. Thank you very much.